After watching this video, you will no longer drink soft drinks. There is a great variety of soft drinks all over the world, and they all have a great flavor that we cannot deny. But if they thought that drinking a glass of soda a day does not hurt, are completely wrong, since drinking a glass of soda a day or a whole brings serious consequences that are seen in the medium term. Recently a video has been developed in which a scientific test is made where you can see how much you have a soda, specifically Coca-Cola, one of the most popular in the world. Find out how much sugar you have. At first a Coca-Cola is emptied in a container and put on fire so that it evaporates. When it finishes evaporating, we can see as it is all the sugar in the bottom with an aspect of honey. On the other hand, we can see how the Coca-Cola Zero after a good lapse of time is consumed completely, leaving very little sugar. So if you want to take refreshment, opts by it, although it would be more convenient to drink natural water or some fruit. Reasons to stop drinking soda immediately. If you are a person who constantly drinks soda, here are some reasons to stop drinking immediately. It produces asthma. Sodium benzoate contained in soft drinks is a preservative, increases overall sodium in the diet, and reduces our ability to absorb potassium. Some reactions to benzoate include recurrent urticaria, asthma, and eczema. Problems in the kidneys. All soft drinks contain high levels of phosphoric acid. It is related to kidney problems and other problems in the kidneys. Obesity. The relationship between soda and obesity is shorter than you think. Doctors estimate that for every soda we consume, the likelihood of developing obesity increases by 1.6 times. Now that you know all the sugar you put into your body and the reasons why you should stop consuming soft drinks, we expect you to take action immediately before it is too late.